Good morning. Welcome to a live trading session. My name is Franco. This is Trading Futures Live. Hey, Narek, welcome. Good morning. All right, let's start like we always do with the dollar. We do have a neutral bullish day on the dollar. Um, this is the daily. We have some supply here up above here. I have this area of 0686. If we go to a 30-minute time frame, we have been going up since 9 o'clock, but the market is not, well, it is retracing a little bit. And we'll see how we have a supply in the market. So neutral bullish on the dollar. If we break to the upside, we'll see if we have a sustained path to 106.87. That'll be a short. And on the rates, 10-year yield, they're bouncing right now, but the real demand is down here. And I have another one at 4.5. So we'll see what happens when we get here. Okay. I am neutral bearish on the market. If this thing completes its drop to the downside, then I'll change my bias. Okay. We're gapping up a little bit, like 0.36%. So now I want to show you this, right, before we begin. This is a 5-minute on the ES, but if we see the 30-minute, we have all this consolidation. This is the regular trading hours. So we have this consolidation for 2.5 days, and this is the COT. So 93 to 402. Short up here. If we break to the upside, then I'll be looking for more longs. Then we have a launching point of 44.12. Right. So yesterday's launching point, we have to be careful with this. Above this, obviously, long. And I have this this support here at 58, 43.58, and then down below 43.34, which I don't think it'll come into play today. Okay, we do have consumer sentiment at 10 and inflation expectations. All right. Without further ado, let's start our trading. But before that, please remember that trading is risky and you could lose all your capital. So please don't take my trades. Take your own trades. Do this at your own risk. All right, so we are off. It looks like we have an open range, bro. We immediately broke the overnight high. I don't dislike the long, but I need to break this one and have everything in context. If we come down, probably short is a bit. I mean, I don't want to take a long here. That's what I'm trying to say. I don't want to take a long here at 97. Rates are bouncing. Go review the internals. Very positive on the advanced decline, plus 1100. It's dropping a little bit. Hmm. The advanced decline is bouncing back strongly. Banks closed the gap. Yeah. So a lot of buying in the first candle here, 1 minute candle. Shorts are piling up there at this area 4400. I want to see that this thing drops sharply if I want to take a short here. Wow. Now we do have a divergence on the advanced decline big time. See that, Ali? Huh?
Yeah. Hmm.
The thing 96 is 2. One more retracement.
Like a short?
Yeah, but not right now. Hmm. I'm in a short. Yeah. Yeah. Probably they're gonna bring this thing to the high, break all the stops, and then take a short. Let's see how this goes. I got too early. I got in too early. I got in too early. Yeah, I got in too early. This thing is. Look at the another divergence. I just. Oh my god, such a bad trade. Yeah, that this should have been my entry. This should have been my entry. Risking the pivot. We have divergence big time. I'm gonna wait for something on the footprint to try to reach again this. Wow. Wow. That is a strong buying. Hmm. Now we're above the supply, Ale. What do you say?
Long.
You're gonna take it long? Where at?
I'm thinking long. I want a retracement.
Hmm.
Probably 400.
Yeah, probably I'm not reading the market correctly here. It is going up, but well, advanced decline just turned around. Look at that. Hmm?
The dollar is dropping too.
Mm-hmm. And rates too. Now dollar is starting to turn around. Bro, big divergence on the advanced account.
The
Huh?
ADD.
Yeah.
Took a short at 901.
Yeah. That is a good one. See how this one works.
I The selling is not aggressive and
Yeah, but
pushing down.
none the buyer either the buyers are either strong. It's too much of a risk for me to be around here. And I'm asking too much, to be honest.
I'll break even.
How?
Yeah, break even.
Yeah. Wow. Divergence is brutal. The divergence is brutal, bro.
I take a better entry here.
Zero line on the tick. Finally. Really, I don't know. I have another 04. I don't think it's gonna get to 04, to be honest. But for me to risk this, I need to put the order there. Not, I will be risking too much money or misplacing my stop. Something is that is something that I need to correct. I don't want to misplace my stop. Yeah, news is in 10 minutes, right?
More sentiment.
Yeah, it's not good because there's no follow through. We need this thing to drop if sellers are in. We did have another divergence though. Yeah, buyers are active there. Wow. Those were a bunch of sellers. Sell orders. And there's no follow through, bro. I think I'm gonna bail out this trade. Yeah. Mm. Now advanced decline started to go up.
Upset.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna cut it. But I don't bring my break even. I will be able to get it. I don't think, but 125. I close it now. I think I might be able to get break even. Oof. You didn't feel me. You didn't feel me. Oh, there we go. I'm out. Yeah. Yeah, I'm out of a break even. There's a lot of trap sellers there. Now advanced decline start to go up. this point, I think I'm gonna wait for the news. Yeah. Mm. Mi celular.
Feeling ridiculous.
Ya. Ya la tienes. Okay. If advanced decline wasn't going up this sharply, I probably would have kept the trade, but
Bro, but look at all that selling area.
yeah, a lot of selling and no follow through.
500,
Paper,
200,
welcome back. Thank you. Yeah.
Once it breaks this 08 or 9,
08 or 9. Yeah, it's gonna fly if we break, yeah? Yeah. I know our divergence, bro. Advanced decline is weird today. It's being weird. Um the dollar's still holding. Rates are horrible. The situation we had there is that a lot of shorts piling in and no follow through. Number one. Number two, advanced decline was sharply bouncing back up, and we didn't see any follow through from sellers, so that's why I bailed out the trade break even. And we have news in 3 minutes. I don't know what to tell you, bro. Look, rates are holding there, and the dollar is not dropping either. I think the dollar has the potential to continue to the upside and this thing drop. But at this point, I just want to wait for the news. Yeah, a bunch of selling there, no buyers. Very small volume candle, and that drop is very small volume. All right, 1 minute and 50 seconds. Sellers are piling in big time. A lot of sellers. I mean, all this formation is just a bunch of sellers trying to sell there. Yeah, that's possible. I have a 12 from yesterday. I have 12 from yesterday. Let's see what happens. 20 seconds. Hmm. Wow. Yeah. Sell, sell, sell. Yeah. There you go. The divergences. The divergences. There you go. I'm gonna see you. Mm,
98.
yeah, that's what I was thinking. Overnight low, overnight high, but is bouncing up sharply. I want to see what happens there with the order flow, with the footprint. If I see aggressive sellers, then I'll get in. If not, I'll no. No aggressive sellers, bro. No aggressive sellers. Oof. There you go. See if we can come back to this. 'You know what, Ali? We did have aggressive selling here at 03. Um, is the risk is high, it's 4 points. Yeah, it's too much. Too much to ask 99. Ninety-seven. So advanced decline is still come on. Yeah. I have an order there. 99. Pro sellers are active there. I don't know if it's going to get. Yeah. I think we might have another bounce from here. Look at the advanced decline. I'd like to get a probably 02. Yep. Down, bro. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I think the short is better. Dollars going up, rates are holding, advanced decline is coherent. We are in supply. The thing is, my timing was not good. I was estimating this thing to go down before the news, and it just waited for the news. And I was in on the short. A lot of short sellers were piling in and no follow through, so I closed my trade break even. We have exhaustion there. Near 5 minutes, 5 seconds. There are not many buyers, to be honest. There's not much like aggressive selling. There's just there are very few buyers here. All right, so the next 15 minutes is in 2.5. See if we can have at least 4,400. I know it's too much to ask, but yeah. Do you want to go long on Attic? I don't like the long right now. The gap closes 43.80. I will think about long there, or I actually have yesterday's the high of the close is 86.50. Yeah, it's weird. It's not an easy trading day for sure.
Bro, look at the candle at 10:12.
What?
Look at how it was at negative 500 and it flipped to 57.
Reload all your data. Reload it. Last minute on the 15. From minus 700 to minus 100. So buyers stepped in. Is the one that you're talking about?
Yeah.
20 seconds for the next 15. So we hit yesterday's high, this, at the close, and we gapped up. Probably that's the long for today. I don't know. Like advanced decline is very negative. Very negative. I mean, it's coherent to the downside, not to the upside. Bro, look at that delta, 1,000 and no follow through. See that? Hmm? Ale. Yeah. How can we get in this thing? How can we get in this thing? Like 380 is not. Whatever they have running, if it's 80, 90% or 71%, which is running right now, is you will get it with my coupon. My coupon code, it is whatever they're doing, the best sale is my coupon code. But today they have 71% off, half reset. I mean, I think if you reset an account, it's like $40, which is not bad. And what else? I think that's what they have right now. Hey, don't leave, bro. Stay with us. Shut the platform down. If you're struggling, just close the thing. Watch us in a cell phone or something. So don't do not keep trading. Bro, it's just slow grinding down. It's difficult to get in this thing. Huh? I have another 92. 92.
Like 90. Like 90. But it was before.
Short, 15, 312, 95. I stopped following the NQ. I'm gonna take a look at it. Just 312. Yeah, it's high, buddy. I don't know if we will come back there, and if we come back there, if the momentum will just keep driving prices up. It's hard today to get in this. I was in here. I was in here. My stop was 08 or something. I was, but then the news comes. Um, so I just bailed it out. A bunch of sellers were piling in here with no follow through. That was the reason I closed that.
And you had the
And I
news.
had the news coming also. Yeah. I mean, I don't regret closing it. Like nobody knows what's going to happen. I just saw a bunch of sellers just piling in and no follow through. No bueno. This is the high from yesterday. Very aggressive. Um, Aggressive buying right there. See if I can get filled short. 92. Hmm. All right, I'm in it.
What will you add?
Huh?
What will be your add-on?
That's the thing. I don't even know if I can add on because this red line is
Get break.
probably, yeah, and it's 4 more points, so that will bring my that's the thing, that will bring my average way down. That will bring my average way down. I don't know. I want to see some sort of retracement below this, like break this thing. I will put it in order to sell breaking this thing to the downside, to be honest. And then I'll be aggressive protecting this trade because we didn't break the low. And I know my entry is not the best one. It's just it's a bad location. It's a very bad location. But there's no way I'm gonna wait for this thing to get to 4400. I don't know if it's gonna get to 4400, so I'm willing to take the risk here. If this thing just continues to the upside, I will get a break even. So sellers are there. There are some sellers here. I don't know if they have the strength though. Advanced decline. Advanced decline. I don't like advanced decline. I want this thing going down.
Break that
Yeah,
87.
my add-on is at 86.25. Yeah. Now I'm gonna break this. I'm gonna bring this to break even because the location is off. So this is a momentum trade. If we bounce from here, I'm gonna be screwed. So I don't want to risk that. If I had a good location, then yes, but not. I don't have a good location. And I think 81 is not a bad target. Yeah, there's no follow through here. Yeah, I'm gonna get 82 if I get it. I want to see 82, 82.50. Yeah, yeah, we're bouncing off of this. So we broke the low, and we're bouncing. That's That's some short covering here at the low. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna get a break even here. Yeah. Some shorts being stuffed out there or buyers, but I don't think buyers are there. I think buyers are below. Yeah, I got a break even in that trade. And I got slipped. I got slipped. Wow. Bro, it's hard when you have a bad location. It's hard to expect that this thing is gonna run. It's gonna go without retracement. It is what it is. So I have a losing trade and two break evens. Bro, look at the advanced decline. Diverging big time. He diverged to the upside. See that? You have a lower low, and then a higher low here.
Butters.
What? Dollar. I think I moved my stop so early, bro, because I'm scared because I'm losing. I don't think I should have moved my stop yet. Hmm?
Maybe your add-on should be the retracement. You're at 90 add-on.
Yeah, well,
Is your
90.
risk?
You knew it was gonna come to 90. No, I would say like 88 is not crazy, but how do you know it's gonna come to 90?
You got the retrace. 88. Yeah, 88
Yeah,
or 90.
88 would have been more realistic, right? And that would have bring my. So here is 4.25 is 2. There you go. No, I would have gotten break even anyway if I moved my stuff. Yeah, but this can't work. No, I think my mistake here was just reducing my risk instead of increasing it. I should have increased my risk. If I'm adding on and the market is agreeing with my trade, I should increase my risk, not reduce it. But since I was losing money on the first trade, I got scared. It's, and now we're in the middle of nowhere. I cannot just put a trade there. I think next trade has to be here. 98. Or 94. Yeah, that was the one that I took. Yeah, was the one that I took. Not this one. It's not this one. Good. Hmm. You just have taken one trade, right?
Yeah.
What do you have? What do you have there? Oh yeah,
Open low.
below the open.
We have in a
Yeah, but there's not a clean path to the open. We already wicked up and down. It's not like yesterday. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we already
Yeah.
we already tapped
No,
it.
we already went through and above, and I don't think that's I don't think that's a good. I have my a 98.50 right here. Yeah, the start of the sell-off. Yeah. Well, no, the start of the sell-off is up here. Oh, two. To be honest, if we go up, no, I want to see here. What time did I get in? 21, right? Bro, in the candle that I got in, so 93, in the candle that I got in has a positive delta. You see that?
Something you get in?
21. Well, no, actually 22. Yeah, it has a 745 positive delta. So you like the long? Where at, Pedro? Yeah, I don't. It's a sideways day. I don't. I don't mind. And look, advanced decline has started to go up. I think the long is a good thesis as well. It's not bad. Now we have mixed signals. We have rates now dropping. The dollar is holding. Well, the dollar is dropping a little bit as well. Mm. Um, an upside trending line on the 15-minute. Oh, from yesterday. in the close. Yeah, we tapped this. Look, this is yesterday's close, and we tapped this high, and we're bouncing off of it. See that? I had this red line. Um, I got in here though. I got in here. I didn't believe the direction. The internals are coherent to the short side, but if you want to take a long, I do think is a if a sideways day. I don't like the long, just because the dollar and rates are going higher. I do prefer the short, but this is a very individual discipline. Nobody knows what's going to happen. Like you have to have some sort of no.
Oh,
You need to have tools. You have tools that tells you where's the preferred direction. Mines are telling me I rather the short. Now they can change at any time. I don't I understand that they can change at any time and fail as well. They can fail as well. I don't see these as a high probability demand in the ES. That's why I'm not looking for longs. And as a matter of fact, we do have some supply here, which is the COT from the formation of the last 4 days. And now we're approaching price. I'm approaching the area from below, so I consider it as a supply. But like I always say, like you tell me a trading idea, and I could agree or disagree, but nobody knows. Like if you have some sort of way to trade and that makes you money, that it is what it is. It's good. So 93 again. I was not planning to retake this area. I got in here on the first attempt. Then I was not planning to get in here. I have an order at 99. I don't know if it's realistically talking good to be expecting 99. Probably not. But if I don't have another opportunity, I will just stay put. I will have had 4 days red this week if I end up like I am right now, but I will still manage to be a little bit green. Not much. Probably like $500 for the week. There's one thing like the market is changing direction all the time after 1 p.m. It's crazy. I was watching that, and after 1 p.m., suddenly the market just flips. Like yesterday. Yesterday we were like, look at this. This is 2:30 or 1:30. Started to go down. We did have the 30-year auction there, so probably that pushed the price down. Here is 1:32 in the afternoon. It flips. Here is 1 in the afternoon. It flips. Not here. This was we ranged until 1 and then took off. Not this one. Here is 11:30, 12:30, 1 in the afternoon, and then it goes. So yeah, the afternoons are being very, very active. Like I haven't seen this market turning around in the afternoon for. I've been doing this for 5 years, and I have no recollection of that. There you go. That was our gift from God. 93 3/4. We didn't get it. Well, I was not planning to either way.
I like 94.50.
Yeah, but forget about it. Not coming back. It looks like we're gonna stay like we are. I don't like the lungs, and it's going without me, so I will just stay here. Now it's fair to say that my second trade would have been a monster winner, which I was not planning to keep um, after the news. So I don't know what would have happened. Probably if I would have been, and that's all should like coulda shoulda woulda, but I was short here, and then my third short was here, and I would have lost. I would have lost big because my stop is going to be above here, so I got to break even here. Yeah, it's not bad, bro. 700 a day is 14,000. Is 170 roughly per year. So my target, my last target was going to be 82, right? What did I say, Ale? 82.50, right?
82.
Yeah, it got there. Yeah, it got there. Bro, it's impressive how we managed not to close above O2 solid. We didn't have a solid candle to the upside above O2. We have all rejections, rejection, rejection, rejection.
Where?
Hmm?
Where?
Above O2, 4402, the 5 minute.
O2 or O6?
No, above O2. No, what is that you have there?
High volume node.
But it ends at O222. Hmm? Why do you have so narrow? Like here, look, I have it here. 0222. Hmm? See that?
Yeah. Did that let you wear 99?
No, 04, 04 two quarters.
That was your first entry.
No, my first entry was here, 96 three quarters, thinking that this thing was going to go down, but it didn't. Yeah. Sayonara. Huh? You took a break even and that's it?
To break even and yeah.
Would have been a good long wood short or not?
What?
Would have been a good short? Yours?
If I took a
Where do you take a break even? Where?
I took a break even flat trade on here. I moved it. I knew my entry was bad. I just traded. I don't know. It wasn't an easy day.
It was not.
Issue was better.
Yeah, today's trading day was complicated. Oh, I mean, it was not easy. Everybody in the chat, well, the majority of them were long bias. Yeah.
Boom. Boom.
Gone. Forget about it. We did have 93, but that would have been a second try on the zone. I was not up for it. But this is not crazy. It's very like this happens a lot. I just got trapped in the chop, and then it went. So for me, what I learned out of that trade is that when I have these yesterday's close here, so well, no, my entry was not bad. My entry was very good here in 92.
I think your entry was good. I think your entry was good. I don't know what
No,
you're saying.
my entry was good. My entry was good, but then the noise took me out. Nothing I could have done. Now, I need to reanalyze why I closed this, replay the footprint, and see what's going on next time. What should I do? If just holding on to the risk, or what? Because that would have been spectacular. I was in it. Uh, Sadly, I closed it earlier. Yeah,
Wow.
yeah. Now we're dropping big. But we were up. But we have had a 1% swing, so we were like 0.6% up. Now the NQ is bleeding. Russell as well. Bro, and the Russell is so close to make a new low for the year.
New
For
low
the
for the
year,
year.
yeah.
What's year?
It could be negative. Mm-hmm. Actually, January 1st. Oh, so the low for the year is this 103. What? Sorry. So the low for the year is 1700, bro. 1704. And the low right now is 17. Well, we are at 1734. Just like 2% off of the low. So Russell is just up 2% from for the year. No, not really. Not really. We might have. No, we actually are negative, bro. Damn.
One on the
Yes.
Russell.
January 1st is. Yes, sir.
Sure.
1790. 1790 is the open. No way. Yes, sir. We are down 3%, bro, in the Russell for the year.
3% for the year.
For the year.
Wow.
What is the S&P? Well, the S&P is good. Should be up, like, yeah. Oh no, forget about it. We're up big time.
Yeah, like open like at 3,800.
February, January. Yeah, 39.85, somewhere around there. No, actually, we opened up here. Roughly. 13%. We are 13% up. Like roughly, more or less. We're about to hit the overnight low. Coming in 2 minutes.
Break and retest. No, marico, que voy a agarrar ya. ¿Tú vas a agarrar algo de allá ahorita? Maybe longs and yesterday's low. Maybe longs and yesterday's low, but I don't. I don't know. I don't like the long today.
No.
Hmm.
Hard to take longs with this momentum. Like, let the lungs to develop itself. Hmm.
Bro, what did we have at 06 that we bounced up?
Nothing that I'm aware of. I mean, no.
Right?
Nothing that well, yeah, no, not really. I mean, if you look to the left, you have some resistance there, break and retest, but I don't want to think about that. Like, We came here, and after the first rejection, then I got in short.
Taking the 40.
When on the
Oh yeah, once we had that first drop.
right up right
Right
after
up.
the news, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was right after the news. And I got in one extra account, so I had 19 accounts today. Sorry, 20 accounts. 20 times 22.5, $450. Yeah.
You lost today.
So I think I managed to close the week positive. I'm not sure. If I don't take any more trades, yesterday were 15 plus 15 plus 33.75 plus 22.5 minus, yeah. Oh, bro. Yeah, less than 500. Less than $500 to that this week. That's not bueno. I need to polish my strategy, see what's going on.
What do you think you could have done better on your trade?
The first trade, I don't know if it was FOMO. I rushed into it and it costed me 5 points.
It's 5 points.
Sorry, 4 points. No, 5 points. Yes, 5 points. So the first trade costed me 4.25 points. 4.25. 4.25. And then the rest, the second one, I don't know, bro. The news was coming up. I don't have a clear rule about that, to be honest, but I don't have a clear rule of what to do if I see sellers or buyers piling in and no follow through. But then if you think about it, if sellers were piling up, then the market dropped with the news, right? I don't know. It's weird. I need to sit down and just find my edge there. Should have done not to close the trade, closing the trade. Who knows? Obviously, in hindsight, is easy. Oh, why you closed it? Yeah, in hindsight, everybody's a trader. Just I want to see you here. Like it's hard to make a decision here. I think the more experience I get, better trader I become. I think. Good thing I didn't have any explosive. Like I didn't have any bad losing day. Yeah, I didn't win. But
Yeah, and you had your winner. Yeah, and you had your winner was pretty good. The one winner you had, it was
one winner, only one trade winning this week offset the entire bad week, and that's where I feel good because I know next time I win, I just need one trade.
usually people are the other way around. One big loser upsets the whole winning week.
Yeah,
know you're doing something right when
Yeah.
one winner offsets all the losers.
Obviously, I need to increase my winning percentage. It's too low. It's around, well, this week is, I think, the lowest I've had, probably 10%.
Wow, what a set! What a sell off!
Bro, I would feel like bad if I would have read the market wrong. And even if I read it wrong, there's nothing I can do. I'm just need to be more consistent reading the market is this way. And then I'll focus on where to choose my areas. Where to choose my areas to trade off. That's it. It's not complicated. Okay, I learned how to read the market. Then now where I'm executing. Where? That's the question. Where I am executing trade. I'm not gonna take it, but look at the candle at '09. I'm gonna put a sim trade there. '09. 1109. I would say like 63. No, no, it's a sim trade.
5 minutes.
Yeah. Mm. I was reading this book yesterday for the whatever we were doing with the plan, and look at this. It says that a trader needs to develop some sort of intuition. It's hard to explain this, but
Yeah,
um
I know what you mean. Like trading into, even if you don't, you don't have a signal, you feel that
I feel yeah, I feel like,
that trade could work,
That
even
trade-
if you don't have
and
anything
I
on it.
felt that today with the short, but no, the advanced decline was clearly speaking.
Divergent.
No, it was clearly speaking down.
It was diverging the whole time.
Huh?
It was diverging the whole time.
Yeah, the thing is that it was hard for us to get in because it was a lot of noise. It was not a clean short. It was very hard to short or where to have your stop. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not easy. You can say easy now because you saw what happens, but before the fact is hard. Um, where is that I read this? Let me 17. And this is coming from, oh, there you go. So the big one make trading decisions based on 5 indicators or checks. Number 1, the big picture. Number 2, intraday fundamentals. Number 3, technical analysis. Number 4, reading the tape. And number 5 or fifth, intuition. There you go. Playbook. This is a book by Mike Bellafiore. He owns a prop desk in New York called S&B Capital. It's a big firm. They're trading billions right now. Um, I read this book years ago. And I was just skimming over it yesterday because we are formalizing trading plans and stuff. Intuition. Unartful, unartful things said during an interview. Trading is in my genes. I have knack for knowing where the markets will close at the end of the day. No, it's not. I know you don't.
Intuition comes from
Experience, yeah.
We use the cards, steers tail, use the market
Yeah, all
behavior
right. So look at this. The 10 attributes of a great trader. Heart, courage. Number 2, intuition, vision, discipline, decisiveness, patience, confidence, focus, being dynamic, fluid or flexible, and then willingness to learn and improve. Bro, this is a very good book. Yeah, I think I'm gonna devour it this weekend. So I think for me it was a tremendous uh training week. I reduced I reduced my mistakes big time, bro. What do you think?
You follow your rules.
I did follow my plan. The only thing is I did not capitalize like I should have, but very little mistakes. I feel good, to be honest.
It's
Huh?
because you're building the habit. Once you get comfortable, and like a first need to like practice it, and then you first need to like it's a process. You know, it's not you're not gonna be like profitable first week. It's you just take it step by step. So week your goal was to follow your rules. You were green for the week, green for the week. So follow your rules, and you were for now. What comes after that is that you know capitalize honestly. And I think once you if you follow your pre-market rules or your rules in general, and you take the loss, it doesn't psychologically. Obviously, no one likes losing, but I think it's not the loss is not as hard as if because those were pre-planned losses. Already planned those losses. We were okay with them because we're all gonna lose eventually. And I think by you following your rules, you are okay with your
Oh no,
losses.
that's first thing we need to do. Like we need to be okay with the losses. Period.
And yeah, and if you prepare your loss because take a trade, you prepare it to win, and you don't have a stop loss, then you're not prepared to lose it. You have a stop loss, you know you're what you're willing to lose, and have to be okay with it. And you need to know where you take your trades, and that's where you.
Bro, since I started doing add-ons, to be honest, I don't care about losers. Now I probably need to refine my entries, yes. But the fact that when I win so much bigger than when I lose. I'm talking about 5, 6 times whatever I risk initially. Bro, is so good. It makes me feel so good in that regard.
That's what you have to follow. We as traders, so to do what makes us feel good. You know, like
Yeah.
not just about losing or making money. We need to be comfortable
Yeah.
with what we're doing because they were doing.
I think that's gonna come. For now, it's not about that. I know.
That's why you shouldn't.
I've been trading for 5 years, but the way I'm trading now consistently, it's a completely different sensation, to be honest, because I'm just focusing 100% in the process and working on the weekends, reviewing my trades and stuff. Um, that's something that I never have done, and I've done a very I've done a lot of work before. Like I'm reading the market the same way I've reading it. I've read it like for years, but now I am being more accurate because every time I am wrong, I just go back and review what happens and learn from it. I did not before, to be honest. Right, and I think you have a tremendous opportunity to learn the way I'm trying to work right now.
Because I've looked at it this past week, and I
What?
noticed that following your
Yeah, yeah,
rules helps you psychologically. So that's why I stopped taking random trades. I mean, today I did take a random trade. I knew it was a bad trade. It was a really bad entry. It was not on my plan. Once I was up, say 2.5 points, I realized it and I put my stop to break even. Yes, it was not a losing trade, but I don't feel right about that trade because it was not part of my plan. And yeah, but this past week, I noticed that if you follow your rules and you follow your game plan, pre-assessed risk, your pre-assessed market plan, then you should be okay with it, unless you read completely the market wrong, and
yeah.
that's
But
when you
even
need
if
to
I
stop
read the
it.
market wrong, I would have a couple losing trades, and it won't affect me psychologically because I had a big losing day. To start with, it cannot become a big losing day because I have my accounts protected. Number one, and number two, um, even if I read the market wrong and I take two losing trades, I should be okay with it. Like I should accept that I can read the market wrong. The market is so dynamic; it changes, and the more experienced I get, I think the more money we will make. Right now, it's just trial and error until we get like a lot better. The Chipotle is advertising in our thing. All right, guys. It was a very good learning week. I ended up positive, even though I lost 4 data out of 5. Not happy, but happy that I improved big time this week. Um, as you all know, I am not paying much attention to the money I'm making right now. And that part will come when I am ready. Just trading minimum size. I have 20 accounts running. That I'm trading at the same time with different computers and stuff. But the fact that um I was able to behave correctly as a professional trader, just look for the right areas, trade consistently and feeling good when I lose, because a lot of people think that they're trading better, but they are reacting off of losing trades, and I'm including myself there. That nobody likes to lose, but as traders, you need to adapt. You need to learn how to lose. If you don't lose, you won't win.
The best
Yeah,
loser
yeah,
wins.
that's a very good book that I have there by Tom Howard. Um, the trader that knows how to lose is, I think Umar says it, right? Umar says that.
Homer says
Yeah, yeah. Um, I mean, and that's what I'm trying to do. Like, I'm trying to become better at losing less, making money when I'm winning, making a lot more money when I'm winning, and be honest with myself that when I lose a trade, see how my body reacts. If I am reacting, if I just get uh, this negative sentiment or this frustration inside of me because I lost the trade. I think being honest to myself is the best thing. It'll take me time, certainly, and it will take some time because we don't change like this. I bet some traders probably will be better than others, but I think anybody can do it if they do the right work. All right, and I'm gonna wrap up this video. Um, Trade safe. Have a nice long weekend. No, not long weekend, right? No.
no,
Have a
no,
nice
no.
weekend, and see you all back on Monday. If you think that we bring value to your trading, please consider subscribing to the channel. Give us a thumbs up so we can reach more accounts, more traders, and grow the channel. All right. See you guys on Monday. Have a nice weekend.